Party whip, unraveling the meaning. Hello there, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of politics to understand a fascinating term, party whip. Don't worry, you won't need a politics degree. Let's break it down together. At first glance, party whip might sound like a fun tool used at parties, but its meaning is far from that. Let's break it down. Party, in this context, it refers to a political group or faction. Whip. Originally, a whip is a tool used by riders to control their horses. In the political context, it's metaphorically used to describe someone who ensures discipline and order. A party whip is a member of a political party in a legislature, like a parliament or Congress, who is responsible for 1. Ensuring that members of the party attend and vote in line with the party's official policy. 2. Communicating the party's position on upcoming votes to its members. 3. Counting votes in advance to see how many members support or oppose a particular motion. 4. Disciplining members who don't vote in line with the party's stance. In essence, the whip ensures party discipline and unity, especially during crucial votes. Why is it called a whip? The term dates back to hunting terminology. Just as riders used whips to ensure hunting dogs stayed on track, the political whip ensures members stay on track with the party's goals and policies. There's not just one whip in a party. Here's a brief overview. Chief whip, the primary person in charge of the party's discipline. Deputy whip, assists the chief whip. Whips, general term for members assigned to keep a tab on the party's legislators. Different countries might have different names or hierarchies for these roles, but the core concept remains the same. So there you have it. The term, party whip, might sound playful, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining party discipline in political settings. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the political world of English vocabulary. Remember, every word has a story, and understanding that story makes language learning all the more fun.